Hi guys, it's me, Luna. Today I'll be teaching the Origami Ninja Star. And I've chosen toxic colors for the Toxic Ninja Star. And we'll be starting off with both of them because the Ninja Star will be kind of symmetric, so both of them will be doing the same thing. I'm going to start out with the green one. So we fold the green in half. Doesn't need to be perfect. Same with the other one. Remember, doesn't need to be perfect. Just so that it's crease line in the middle. Crease line in the middle. Okay. Open ours up. You can see crease line. We'll fold it down so that the top of your paper will be touching the crease line as an eye. This is 5 by 5 inch paper. It doesn't need to be 5 by 5, but as long as it's square. Basically, all origami you'll use squares. So now we'll fold this down. Now we've got an eye. So now we'll do the other side. Fold it down. Another paper in here. Okay, we've got an eye. Okay, now that we've got our two eyes, I'll fold it in half again. So there's a crease line in the middle. Open it up. And then fold it so that will make a little seahorse shape. So when we fold this, we'll have there be a little line just as an opening in between our folds, because this is where we'll connect the piece of paper. So now we flip it over. Just flip it, yeah. Now I do the same to other. Okay, now just fold it. Yep. Okay. Now the thumb of the seahorse guys should be making a gate. Yep, very gate. Okay, now we fold the top down so that it's a triangle, because we want our ninja stars to be pointed. So they're triangles. Otherwise, it would be no use in those ninja stars. So if you try to hit someone with them, it would do like 0 damage. So we want those ninja stars to be sharp, so that also the seahorses' heads will have noses. Okay, and we fold the bottom up. The tip of the triangle should always be facing to the middle. Now we can do that with the other paper. Point to the middle. Now we will fold the triangle down so that triangle won't be seen. Our ninja stars to be sneaky, so they can't be seen. Now we'll make a little diamond shape. You can unfold it again once we make that. Kind of like when you make a crease line, you want it to be creasy. Is that even a word? Wordy enough. Okay, now we do that with the other one. Now it's time to connect our ninja stars. This part you might want to go slower. This part is harder. And also want different colors so that you can see it better. So you can choose whatever colors you want though. So we will take our ninja stars and I'll put my green one down, and it should be facing up. The triangles should be facing up. Now we'll put our other piece of paper down on a flat line, kind of like an X. Now we'll flip it over and see these flaps. We'll stick this triangle, we'll fold it. This part is the hard part. So we'll stick it into that flap. You might want to keep restarting this part, but once you get it, then that's good. And then you do it with the other foldy flap. Foldy flap. You can fold it up. Okay, you can see that our ninja star is already holding itself together. We can fold it up again. Teach this to your siblings if you have any. And now we fold the ninja star again. And we've got a ninja star. And there. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Check out my other videos. Thank you.